Hey Point Diva family, I cannot believe I paid $1,000 for this amazing beach vacation, Paradisus Grand Cana, all suites in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. I'll cover entertainment, rooms, food, the beach access, controversy, and all the pros and cons. If you watch to the end, I'll explain how I received an amazing cash deal to book this property. This is the exact vacation that we needed. This is Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. I'm Crystal, the Points Diva, and I teach my viewers how to travel to the edges of the world on points and miles, along with my family. We paid for this stay out of pocket with our American Express Platinum card through the Fine Hotel benefits. With American Express Fine Hotels, you receive a $300 statement credit. When you arrive at Punta Cana's airport, I'd highly suggest pre-booking your airport transportation. You'll be faced with people trying to get you to do a timeshare presentation, and it can get pretty chaotic. This 5-star all-inclusive hotel in Playa Bovado offers spacious suite-style rooms, a massive pool, a water park, kids club, and tons of activities, all included in your stay. When we arrived, we were escorted to the VIP check-in counter due to us booking through Amex. Our room wasn't ready, but we were able to have lunch at the buffet. The only food option for lunch is the buffet. It honestly wasn't much to rave about. There was a decent variety to satisfy all appetites. Now let's discuss the best part of this hotel, the accommodations. All of the rooms are suites with a seating area, large terrace, and jacuzzi. Not only is this perfect for families needing extra space, but also couples wanting a little romantic retreat. We booked a 2 double bedroom, and there was plenty of closet and drawer space that led to a functional bathroom with shower and bath. Being an all-inclusive property, snacks, soft drinks, water, and beer were stocked daily in the fridge. We quickly changed into our bathing suits and set our sights on the kids club.
Can I eat your cake?
No!
Should we say happy birthday to you?
Go ahead.
Come on, Atlas. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. Oh gosh, this is pitiful.
Happy birthday, dear Mom.
Do you know the words?
Happy birthday to you. Hold up. How old are
The Kids Club habitat is a huge highlight for our families. It was a short walk from our room and next to the water park, so it's super convenient if your kids want to bounce between structured activities and splash time. The club offers age-based programming, typical grouping little ones and older kids separately, so everyone gets activities that fit their age and energy level. Think crafts, painting, games, theme activities, and interactive fun throughout the day. It's more than just babysitting, it's a full activity schedule. Mr. O and I dropped the kids off and started our own vacation. We dropped the kids off. This is probably the quickest that we have dropped the kids off at the kids club and are at the pool bar.
Yep.
The first drink of vacay.
Yeah.
And we're drinking rum, Dominican rum. Got the chills.
It's good.
It is good. It's my favorite. After I had a cocktail, I was brave enough to join on the Salsa Lesson class.
Uno más. Aplauso para la señorita. Okay.
This was so much fun and a good workout. One thing about me is I'm gonna learn the steps, then improvise. So that was a great little activity. Your girl was out there getting it, y'all. And one of the instructors, he talked to us afterwards and he's like, "You Dominican?" And that's the thing, everybody thinks I'm Dominican, but I'm not. But Mr. O is Dominican and Haitian, which he did tell him. So then he's like, "Yo, I'm Haitian." So they had their little Creole bonding moment. But I had to basically let him know, when you got this melanin, all you gotta do is watch, feel the beat, and get it. And that's what I do. And that's what I did.
You was getting it. I can't lie.
Now I got to get Aspen out there next. Oh, but they did say tonight they're going to have like kids disco, which would be cool for the kids. And then I think starting around 9, that's when they're really going to have like couples dancing. So They definitely gonna reserve some space for us, teach us some for real, like what bachata?
Bachata, merengue,
Bachata,
all that
merengue.
sexy. Ah.
Well,
get
that's
it.
not
That
part
type
of
move
it.
right there, yeah.
That's not part of it, but they're gonna teach us how to actually do
part of
it.
it.
So I can't wait. Oh, and we're gonna do babysitting. Actually, we need to book that.
Yeah.
But the babysitting, they said, is $25
For 2
per
kids.
hour for 2 kids, which is actually really, really good. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we actually feel like we're on vacation, y'all.
Dropping these kids at the kids club, that's a vacation.
That part. And sun, it's been so cold and snowy in Charlotte, which is not common. So this was like the perfect time. We actually need to be way over there. For dinner, Paradisus has 7 restaurants and several bars, including the buffet. One thing I didn't like was on Sundays at 9 a.m., there's a long line to make reservations for the week. Whichever day you arrive, do this first so your only option won't be the buffet every night. Early in the evenings each night, there's live entertainment that is kid-friendly. The kids even had their own dance party. And afterwards, we took the kids back to the room with a hired babysitter, and Mr. O and I headed back to the lobby bar for the adult show. From our night out, I think this property catered more to families and then the 40 and up overcrowd. It wasn't a party hotel, but that was okay for us. The breakfast was decent each morning. You had typical Dominican and American dishes. There was also a sweet station with waffles for the kids. My favorite dish were the chilaquiles, which are tortilla chips sauteed in a pan with melted cheese, red onions, and green or red salsa. You have to eat it while it's hot, and it's so delicious. Just make sure you arrive before 10 a.m. for breakfast, because after 9:30, that line is really long. Another highlight of this property is the Aqua Park. This water park isn't just for little kids. It was great for all ages, including adults. I really like the small cafe here with the snacks and juice and sandwiches. Atlas even found one of his favorite animals.
It's a duck. It's a gecko. Mommy, it's a duck.
Stop it! You're gonna be wet and cold. Now, let's discuss the beach. This property isn't directly on the beach. The beach is a 10-minute shuttle ride away at their sister property, MeliáRewards Beach Resort. There were plenty of shuttles, so this really wasn't an inconvenience for us. All right, so the great thing about this chain property is their sister properties right beside each other. One has the beach, obviously, which is where we just took a shuttle over to now, and then the other property has like the water park, so you have access to that as well. So it's almost like you get 2 resorts for the price of 1. Once we arrived, there were plenty of lounge chairs and kids activities. Aspen did not care that she was the smallest and only girl to play soccer. The beach was clean and absolutely gorgeous. This is the vacation we needed. There were servers to take drink orders in a small area with barbecue food. The kids even tried fresh coconut for the first time. Atlas, unfortunately, wasn't a fan. The beach was perfect, and the golf cart drive wasn't an inconvenience. This property is a timeshare property, so you'll be asked to do a presentation. You can respectfully say yes or no. We did a 60-minute one to receive a discount for their big Super Bowl party. The price for 4 people was $500 US, and with the timeshare, we paid $200. Now, this is where the not so good happened. The screens for the Super Bowl didn't work until the second quarter. The seafood and steak platters were really late, and I did voice my concerns, and thankfully the staff was apologetic and did try to rectify the situation. But once the screens finally worked and the food came out, it was a great party. And one thing about Miss Aspen, she's gonna dance like her mama. Now let's talk about how much we paid and how to save at this hotel. The Paradisus Grand Cana is part of the MeliáRewards, the hotel loyalty program where you can earn and redeem points on stays, dining, spas, and more. Unlike Hyatt or Marriott, there isn't a fixed award chart, and pricing can be dynamic and points needed depend on demand and season. But we booked through American Express Fine Hotels and Resorts with our Platinum credit card and use Pay with Points MeliáRewards perk. So due to this, we instantly received a $300 statement credit along with these hotel perks. Our out-of-pocket costs were $1,094 and received 5x points per dollar for this hotel booking. So, is the Paradisus Grand Cana all suites worth it? If you want a family-friendly all-inclusive with great resort amenities, water parks, spacious suites, it's a strong choice. Just go in knowing service and food expectations should be set realistically. If you enjoyed this hotel review, please support my channel by subscribing and you'll be notified of the next Punta Cana review of a dreams property. Also, thank you Paradisus for an amazing hospitality. Thanks for watching.